Hi, good morning everyone and Happy New Year. Welcome to today's topic where I want to discuss the massive health benefits of drinking raw potato juice. Now I know this doesn't sound really tasty and it doesn't sound like a great idea, but believe me, it doesn't taste all that bad. It just tastes like potato. Well, potato's rich in vitamin C, it's rich in fiber, it's rich in the B vitamins, it's rich in potassium, magnesium, manganese, copper, iron, and also some amount of protein. Now, why are we suggesting that you juice a potato raw and you have it? Okay, cooked potato, there's nothing wrong with this, and if you watch my previous video on the health benefits of eating potato, you'll realize why. But today, I want to focus particularly on raw potato juice. Now, raw potato juice has anti-inflammatory impact, which means right from arthritis to those pains in your knees and your elbows and your neck, in your shoulders, in your joints, in your back, it has an anti-inflammatory effect and it can reduce that pain. A lot of my clients back there in Canada and in the cold countries right now with extreme winters where arthritis and the pains to do with arthritis flare up during the cold season have found remarkable relief when they've started introducing raw potato juice into their diet. So that's something for you to try right away. It has an anti-inflammatory impact, which means it helps the body reduce chronic inflammation. Now, inflammation is good for us. It's the body's natural defense mechanism to protect us. It becomes bad for us when it stays chronic, when the inflammation doesn't come down. So raw potato juice has the ability to direct circulation of blood to all the areas of your body. A lot of us suffer from many issues due to poor circulation. Now, proper circulation is important because circulation carries blood to all the cells of your body, billions of cells in your body. And blood carries oxygen, which is the vital life force, and nutrients from the food that you eat to all those parts of the body. I always say it's not about what you eat, it's about how your body digests what you eat. You know, that apple that you're eating, that salad that you're eating, those fruits that you're eating, it's important that all the nutrients from those fruits reach all these billions of cells. And that happens when you have a good digestive system, and that happens when you have proper blood circulation. And potato juice helps increase circulation to all those cells in the human body. Potato juice is also highly alkaline, and we all know the whole acidic alkaline ratio of the body. We know that most diseases breed in an acidic environment. And although the body has a natural pH balance to balance out our acidic and alkaline levels, with lifestyle and the constant exposure to junk food, stress, antibiotics and medicines, we tend to be more acidic, and sometimes we have to help our body become alkaline. Raw potato juice does that fantastically, which is why most of my cancer patients wake up to some amount of raw potato juice in the mornings and at nights or in between the day to help keep their bodies alkaline. When it comes to skin, applying raw potato juice to your skin is absolutely beneficial, especially in terms of eczema. I have a lot of clients from the Middle East, Saudi Arabia, Dubai, Abu Dhabi, where because of the kind of climate, eczema gets, enhanced. And no amount of application of oils and steroidal creams really work. But we found out that raw potato juice, when applied to the areas that have eczema constantly for about 10 to 15 days, brings about immediate relief. And we've also got feedback from children and adults who have been using it for their children that the eczema's totally disappearing. Now, just using raw potato juice for that will not work. It does work, there's no doubt. You'll see an immediate relief. But we also have to understand, like I spoke in my last video about eczema, that it's internal. It involves detoxification, it involves eating the right foods as well. When it comes to gout, uric acid is something that many people suffer from every single day. And you get that pain in your toes, and uric acid is not really a good sign for you anyway, because it shows and it tells you, it's biofeedback from your body telling you that your kidney isn't working right. Your kidney is unable to remove uric acid from your body. Raw potato juice has the ability to break down and flush out uric acid from your body. So if you suffer from that uric acid, it's a great option for you to try and get onto raw potato juice. 1 glass in the morning, 1 glass at night. Gastritis. This is something that so many people suffer from. Extreme acidity, extreme stomach disorders, indigestion, flatulence, and bloating. For this, I recommend 1 to 2 tablespoons of raw potato juice mixed with a little bit of water before your lunch, before your dinner, and before your breakfast. Do this for about 1 to 2 weeks, and you will find that you get some amount of relief using raw potato juice to treat this. Cholesterol. It's rich in fiber. What does fiber do? Fiber helps clean out excess cholesterol from your system. And also, potatoes do not contain cholesterol at all, which means it makes it a low cholesterol or zero cholesterol food for you. So it actually helps you lower your cholesterol levels. And we all know the importance of fiber, which potato is rich in, especially raw potato juice, when it comes to removing cholesterol from your body. And the next point, which is detoxification. Raw potato juice is excellent for detoxifying the kidney, the liver, the gallbladder, and in general, your entire body, because these are the key organs which need to be detoxified all the time. So yes, it helps you build immunity, it helps you detoxify the body, right from cholesterol to cancer to arthritis to your general well-being. Raw potato juice can do it all. Now remember, there's always a disclaimer. You need to speak to your doctor before doing this if you have high potassium problems, especially high potassium in your blood, because raw potatoes and potatoes are rich in potassium. So if you have been advised to be on a low potassium diet by your doctors or by your nutritionist, potato is something that you'll want to be very careful of because it's rich in potassium. Other than that, over the last 1 or 2 months, clients have been using raw potato juice in their hair. And they all come back with feedback that their hair's become softer. You know, there are a lot of write-ups, scientific write-ups about how it has the ability to even change pigmentation. So people saying the graying of their hair actually slow down. Now you can use raw potato juice directly on your hair. You can wash it off after 20 minutes. You can wash it off after an hour, and it makes your hair soft. It makes your hair blacker, and it's absolutely fantastic for dandruff or any eczema in the head as well. It keeps your hair clean as well. So right from your skin to your hair to dark circles under your eyes, you make raw potato juice, you soak in cotton and you apply it to the bottom of your eyes, you know, where you usually have the puffiness, before you sleep, and you keep it on for a while. And it's great when it comes to reducing these black circles. That's if your black circles are not caused by lack of sleep. So these are the benefits of raw potato juice. I advise you to try it. How do you make it? It's really simple. You peel it off. Unless you really have homegrown or organic potatoes, we want to peel off the skin because it holds on to a lot of pesticides and dirt. And then you cut the potato and you juice it with water. That's potato juice. It's as simple as that. Sometimes you find potatoes which have green offshoots. You want to make sure that you remove those green offshoots from the potato because those are poisonous. So you can make it, you may not like the taste. You can mix it with carrot juice. You can mix it with beetroot juice. Some people add a little bit of ginger. Some people add honey to their potato juice. I like it plain. It tastes like potato. It's great. I usually add it to my morning vegetable juice, and I've gotten into a habit of having a small 200 ml potato juice at night as well. Try adding that to your lifestyle. Let me know how that works for you. Have a great day, everyone. Until next time, eat smart, move more, sleep right, and breathe deep. Have a good one.